Welcome to Zephyr for Jira Cloud. In this tutorial, we'll get an introduction to what a Jira issue is, what a Zephyr for Jira test case issue is, and how it all connects. So what exactly is a Jira issue? What is it used for, and how are Jira issues used by normal users? A Jira issue is essentially a task or piece of work that is individually tracked and follows a workflow that must be completed. A lot of teams use issues differently. For example, an issue can represent an individual task, a feature request, a user requirement, or a software bug. So then what exactly is a test case issue? I'm glad you asked. Let me explain a little bit. A test case issue is essentially a Jira issue with additional fields that acts as a test case for your QA testers and managers. Let's say you want to start developing a new software and you want to monitor the flow and the progress of your user requirements, feature requests, testing activities, and bugs. Jira contains issues that can be used to keep track of your user requirements and features to be developed. With Zephyr for Jira, we can create test case issues that can be used to test against these user requirements and features. Test case issues can include a variety of fields and even includes fields for test steps to further organize your testing activities for your individual test case. Test case issues can be executed directly within Jira and can be linked to both user requirements and bugs alike to ensure we have full traceability between our issues. Here, we're working on a software project and we can see multiple issues in our Jira. Our issues range from user requirements to test cases to bugs. If we click on our test case issue here, we can get a larger picture of the Zephyr test case issue and its fields. For now, let's see how it ties into other Jira issues. Once we scroll down into the linked issues section of our test case issue, we can see what exactly this test case issue is linked to and how it all connects. A Zephyr for Jira test case issue can be linked to multiple other issue types. Here, we can see that the test case issue is linked to a user requirement and a bug. It's linked to a user requirement because we are testing against the requirement, and it's also linked to a bug that was filed for the test case. Lastly, we can click on the user requirement or bug to navigate to those individual issues as well, and a linked issue for the user requirement or bug will include the test case issue. This concludes our introduction to Zephyr for Jira test case issue basics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.